Hello to everyone who likes gardens and walks. Welcome to the private English garden in August, where we have a lot of flowers and the air is filled with the scent, but of course it's a lot of works as well. So today is just short update what going on in the garden. August in general is also very busy time for the gardeners. So today we need to do a lot of deadheading, also weeding. Of course, some plants, perennials needs to be just cut back, like this one. It wouldn't be empty space because you can see already new growth. Yeah, we are working hard, but we have nice treat, tea break and lunch by the swimming pool. It is moment of relaxing and also feeling of great satisfaction. You are thinking, I've done it. This is my work. This geranium was cut back 2 weeks ago and you can see nice fresh foliage here. It will be flowering probably 2 weeks time and it will be third flowering of this year. You can see the same here but nearby geraniums which will be cut just today. Cutting back and deadheading, forcing the plants to flower again and again. This is a wild bee orchid. We just cut our meadows, but orchids are protected and of course we need to do jewelry work, not destroy it. The apple crop is just great this year. Also today we are cutting our yew hedges and I should say what when it's done the garden looks much tidier. Internal side not done yet and outside it's already done and you can see the difference. The weather was very wet and windy and you can see lots of damage from slugs and snails. So I'm continuing cutting back and why we are doing it. First, the garden looks tidier. Second, we avoid self-seeding and give opportunity to blossom again. And of course we have extra supports and it's never enough supports in this time. So I will reuse it in other places. Lunchtime by the swimming pool. When you are planting your flower borders, keep in mind what blooming should be continuous and choose carefully varieties. For example, these phlox, some of them in full bloom, some slightly over, and white one just starting. Another secret of the garden, even if you have something not done perfectly, but you have tidy hedges and also tidy lawn and edges of the lawn. It works like frame for the painting. If you have nice frame, the painting always looks better. The mulberry tree is full of fruits. They are juicy and sweet. Magnolia grandiflora is just exceptional this year. So many flowers and flower buds. It's just amazing. Like I already said, it was very rainy and you can see how flower protect itself. They're just folding. Thank you very much for watching this short update. I hope you enjoyed and please support our channel and this video with your thumb up, leave your comment and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. We will have a lot of beautiful walks and just stunning gardens to see in the future. Have a nice day and see you soon. Goodbye.